So here's a challenge. I have to try and make a game within 1 hour. Starting with this sphere, I can't use any pre-made art or game engines. I'm going to do this challenge with just Python. Make sense? Let's start. I knew I wanted to create planets. So I started out by writing code to generate the textures, which I then used on the sphere to create the planets. But then I realized that planets have bumps, craters, and all sorts of terrain. Let me do something about that. After wasting about 10 minutes, I didn't find any way to deform the current sphere. So I guess I have to create a completely new mesh from scratch. This is like sculpting in Blender, but entirely in code. But the good thing is, since it's code, I can add procedural generation. So the bumps and craters will be different and unique each time. With the planet ready, I am thinking bigger. What about a solar system? I added a central star and 3 orbiting planets. Pressing this regenerate button generates a completely new solar system with new planets. And after some adjustments, here it is. The only thing that I regret is spending so much time on the mesh, which isn't even that visible in the final version. Let me know in the comments what ideas you have for the sphere.